Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Crystal's channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing. These flowers are from my husband for our anniversary, and so is this little Chanel piece his assistant just dropped off. So let's see, doing a one-handed unboxing, what exactly he picked out for me on our 2-year anniversary. Excited. So I see it still has the holiday gift wrapping, as you can all see. That is usually it's just the white, so he must have bought this, well, I guess currently now, because it's the Dubai Shopping Festival. But let's see. Very cute. Always love how they wrap their little Chanel boxes. What did dear husband pick out for me? I mean, oh, it's a bag. This must be a small bag. Okay. Feeling this pink. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you all see that? Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's probably looking almost orangey, but it's a super vibrant pink. True pink. Matches some of these beautiful flowers. Let's get this paper off. This chain, one-handed unboxings are not the easiest, but we manage here. Okay, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. So this is obviously a mini to a small Chanel classic. I'm just gonna take the plastic off here. And it's rose gold, okay? They have the silver, gold, and this looks like it's rose gold. Oh, there's still way more plastic on it. Take that off after. I'll just show you inside. Oh wow, that's so pretty. The chain also rose gold. I don't know if that's something new to Chanel, or I don't have a bag that has rose gold, but I love it. So you can see it's matching the pink flowers. Of course, the attention to detail. How pretty is that? It's a gorgeous pink, guys. I'm telling you, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that under the sun. I love it. So thank you so much. That makes my day, and happy anniversary to us. Thank you.